Why you should consider a new construction home. Let's break it down. Basically, the first thing that new construction has to offer is customization, countertops, the finishes, hardware, modern amenities. Roof 30 years, HVAC system, you're probably looking at 7+ years if you maintain it well. The warranty, you get a builder's warranty whenever you purchase a house. Everything kind of settles after a year, so the builder comes back in and makes sure that everything's back to 100%. So everything's basically very energy efficient. The biggest one is like the HVAC system, the installation. That's where a lot of money can be lost every single month right there. Less maintenance. You might not have to do anything for years, or very little, versus you buy something that was built in the 50s, you might have something every single month that needs to be addressed. I like to go out and do activities or have my mind focus on other things versus I need to redo this deck that's 20 years old and it's decaying, or the HVAC system is 10 years old and I'm getting a little worried, when's that big bill coming? So new construction can be a really good reason to make sure that you don't have a lot of big expenses pop up on you in the near future. If you think about looking at some new construction homes, send me a message. Let's do it.